Hey everyone, in today's video, join me as I challenge myself to show you how to create best-selling aesthetic tote bag designs using Canva straight from your phone and no laptop or expensive software needed. So stick around and let's get started. Okay, so let's open Canva app and create a square. Canva is 4000 by 4000 pixels, which will give you a very high DPI while exporting, and then go to element section and type aesthetic pattern background. As you can see, there are many patterns in the element section, but I have chosen this blob one. I like it, and just reducing the transparency, and we are going to type aesthetic blocks again in element section, and you guys can choose whatever blobs you like. I am choosing this one, and let's change the color and border color, and then we have to reduce its transparency so it can blend well with the background, and here we have to place it and adjust it accordingly. So here we are designing an all-over print tote bag, which is a very trending nowadays. So again we have to go to element section and look for another blob. Here I found this one. Again I'm going to repeat the same process. I like this color, so I'm not changing the color, but I'm going to reduce the transparency, and let's adjust it and fix it. So just like this, we have to find blobs from the element section and choose accordingly and place it on the canvas as you like, and repeat the process. So as you guys see here that I am just using my phone to create trending designs. It's very easy nowadays. With the help of Canva we can create this kind of designs. Just make sure that we have to choose the right canvas size or the inches, which is provided by any POD print company which you use, like 25 or Printful or any other. So just make sure to get everything perfect, because while exporting, if you want this crisp and clear file, we have to make sure that it's about 300 DPI, which will give very high quality printing and fabulous results.
A few moments later.
As you guys can see, our design is halfway done. So let's speed up the remaining process. Our design is almost ready now, so let's download this with background, because it's an all-over print design, so we don't need to remove the background. For mockup, upload our design in ChatGPT and paste the prompt. I have given the prompt in the description box, so you guys can see how beautifully ChatGPT has created a tote bag mockup for us. So let's download it. So there you go, a beautiful all-over print tote bag design made entirely on phone using Canva. If you want to learn how to sell your designs on POD sites like TeePublic or Redbubble, let me know in the comments. And if you find this series helpful, please like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel, as more mobile-friendly POD design tutorials are coming on the way.